The line of sight tool can help determine what is visible and what is obstructed from an observer's point of view. The inputs are line features and a digital elevation model. After you run the line of sight tool, it will split the line up into obstructed and unobstructed sections. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how this tool works in ArcGIS Pro. Let's get started. First, I'm going to show you a 3D local scene of our area of interest. As you can see in our map, we're situated here at the foothills of the Rocky Mountains, near Boulder, Colorado. I have a 1-meter digital elevation model, but I'm displaying it with a hillshade raster. I will use the digital elevation model as the elevation dataset for the line of sight tool. So in our map, we have 4 target points, and there's only one observer point. The observer point is on a bit of an elevated platform. It takes a bit of prep work to set this all up. When you prepare your data, it's best to do it all in a 3D local scene, so all your points have z-values. This is how to make sure this tool works properly. Okay, let's move back to our 2D map. As you can see, we have 4 digitized lines. The arrows show the direction. Each line goes from the observer's viewpoint to each target location. But what's important to know here is that they are 3D lines. The easiest way to create these 3D lines is by using the Construct Sightlines tool. But as you can see, I've already created them. Okay, let's give the Line of Sight tool a try. Before you begin, you're going to need the 3D Analyst extension to use this tool. Go to the Analysis tab. Now click the Tools button. You'll see the geoprocessing tools on the right. Now type in Line of Sight in the search bar. Click the Line of Sight tool. First, let's select the Digital Elevation Model dataset as the input surface. Next, let's pick the sight lines for the input line features. Next, you have the option to add a multi-patch feature for additional obstructing features, but I'll keep that empty. Finally, let's just leave the output as it is. Okay, now click Run. This takes just a couple of seconds. Okay, let's check the result. As you can see, the output splits the line into either green or red. So the green shows non-obstructed sections, and the red shows obstructed sections. Overall, this tool helps you understand visibility from an observer's point along that path of vision. This has applications in areas such as military, telecommunications, and infrastructure planning. Well, that's all I have today.